Hi, I'm Todd Langwell, the Flying Furniture Guy from R&D Woodshop in Scotia, New York. Today I'm going to show you how to use rubbing alcohol on vintage wood to help lift stains. You can see I've got a nice little pie crust table here, and there's some staining here in the finish. I hope you can see this, where the finish is starting to blister up a little bit, but yet you'll be able to take care of this with a little rubbing alcohol, because you can see here that the finish is starting to get a little white. It's just the finish starting to separate a little bit. You can take a little bit of rubbing alcohol and you can place it right on there. And what this does is it kind of works into the finish itself. It gets underneath the finish, takes care of those blemishes, and helps lift those stains right on out of there. And once you're done, you can go ahead and use any type of wax over the top of this after it dries and it cures. You can do the whole thing if you need to, but if you only need to do one spot, that's just as okay as well. And you can see that all of the white that was starting to happen underneath the finish is completely gone. And once this is completely dry, it'll have a slight sheen, a duller type sheen on it. You can go ahead and wax it like you normally do with a pledge or any other type of paste wax or liquid other type wax. I'm Todd Langwell, the Flying Furniture Guy, and this was how to use rubbing alcohol on vintage wood to help lift stains.